In this video, we'll show you how to add keyword phrases to your list of automatic links. With SEO Booster Pro, you can easily manage and optimize your internal links to boost your SEO. To add a keyword, simply enter the keyword, the URL, and click the Add Keyword button. Need to make a change? Double-click the keyword or URL directly, edit the text, and save by pressing Return or clicking the checkmark icon. To remove a link, simply select the checkbox next to the unwanted keyword, then use the Delete bulk action to remove it from the list. That's how easy it is to add, edit, and delete automatic keywords in SEO Booster Pro. Start optimizing your internal linking strategy today. For more tips and updates, subscribe to our newsletter and follow our blog at seoboosterpro.com.